Hello everyone and welcome to Wheel Joint. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and store the cargo cover or cargo security screen in your Kia Sportage. This handy accessory keeps your cargo area private and helps protect your belongings from prying eyes. It's located in the trunk area near the back. It's a retractable, flexible cover that you can use to shield the contents of your cargo space. So, let's get started. To remove the cargo cover, follow these simple steps. Open the rear hatch of your Kia Sportage. Retract the cargo cover. Find the end of the cargo cover that's attached to the rear of the vehicle. Gently pull the cover towards you to release it from its housing. Now that you've removed the cargo cover, you might wonder where to store it. Well, the great thing is that it's designed to be conveniently stored in your Kia Sportage. Pull up the luggage cover using the handle. Then pull out this triangle-shaped cover. Remove the cover from the other side as well. Place the cargo security screen on the lower portion of the cargo area. Put the plastic covers back on. This makes sure it's securely in place to avoid any rattling or movement during driving. And there you have it. You've successfully removed and stored the cargo cover in your Kia Sportage. This simple process allows you to keep your cargo area organized and protected when needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.